great. I was just having myself a good pick session. Next thing you know, oh wow, how much does that cost? That looks like expensive stuff. Holy!
Yeah, we were hoping we'd be out of here with it before you got out here to see what all was in there.
You don't need the engine cover?
No.
Good Lord, dude, bro.
Just the front end.
Oh, my good one. And the mirrors?
I think if I trim the tabs off, they're pretty small. You never know. The base of them is pretty small.
Right on.
Yeah, I just hold it up.
Might have to put a few more PSIs in these tires too. They're brand new. But yeah, if you just hold it up and roll it. Who parked this garbage in the way? Good Lord. Holy. Oh, I'm now doing rip roarings on my new crushed aggregate. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Stolen parts. Anybody sees that truck around, we're looking for them. Stolen parts in Inwood. Did? The good ones too. The friggin' good ones. Gone. Oh, I apologize. I apologize that all my good parts are gone. Yeah.
And it's like 4:45, you know.
Yeah.
You leave all the shit that you gotta cut till like 4:30, and then shut her down at like 10:02.
Yeah.
Just fucking.
Did you get them all out?
I think so.
Is there any hidden ones? Holy shit, is there even stuff in them?
Look.
Oh,
Look at this son of a bitch.
my bent drive shift. My bent one. Yeah, so you're gonna make a Cavero Lamborghini?
Yeah. Yes, you
With all my good shit. You made out like a bandit today. Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Do a couple jankum tokes. Does this thing light? I apologize.
Only one fucking tire.
I apologize. Beg my pardon. Smoke cigarettes. How's it gonna light? How's it gonna light? Oh, light a cigarette. Oh, it does reverse even. That's great. Oh, careful! You mustn't. Oh dear Lord. Oh dear Lord, right Tippy? Well, I'm not sure how good of an idea this is, but the wicker snicker wire, it doesn't do sticks, you know, thick ones. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. Really, you only have to mow your lawn like twice a year and you're good. What happened? What happened, you guys? You get some sugar.